welcome to Shweta's Exotic Cooking Corner. Today I am making chicken dum biryani. Yes, I am making chicken dum biryani very easy way. I am making in a pressure cooker and it will take hardly time to be cooked. You don't have to prepare a dum for that. You can easily make it in a pressure cooker. I'll show you what all ingredients I'll be needing. Here I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice, which I have soaked in water, washed and then soaked in water. It's about 30 minutes now. I have taken 600 grams of chicken. I have taken a lot of mint and coriander, which I have roughly chopped it. I would need 1 cup of curd. I have taken 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I have taken half a cup of fried onion. This I have used a store-bought fried onion. If you don't have, you can definitely fry the fresh onions. And apart from that, I have taken 1 bay leaf, little bit of shahi jeera, peppercorn and 2 cloves. I have taken roughly 3 tablespoons of milk in which I have soaked saffron. I'll not be using any color in my biryani, so this saffron will give nice color to my biryani. Whereas in the terms of masala, I have taken around 4 to 5 tablespoons of chicken biryani masala. This is my homemade biryani masala. And here I have taken 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Very easy, very simple recipe and very quick to make in pressure cooker. So let's begin. First thing first, I'll boil this rice, for which I have already boiled water, and in the water I'll put these garam masala and of course salt. So let's boil it. See, the water is boiling very nicely. I'll put all the masala into it with tej patta. And I will also add 2 tablespoons of salt. Now goes my rice, which was soaked for about 30 minutes. I'll half boil this rice and we'll strain it. While the rice is boiling, we will do the marination of the chicken, for which I'll take a bowl. I'll put the chicken pieces into it first. The chicken goes curd, the yogurt, three tablespoons of lemon juice, and all the spices which we had taken, the chicken biryani masala. If you don't have the homemade chicken biryani masala, you can definitely use any store-bought chicken biryani masala. And here Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric, ginger garlic paste and coriander. Everything goes into it. I love making one pot dish. It's so easy to make and very delicious. And into this I'll also add my fried onions. And my mint leaves and coriander leaves. I will also add salt as per your taste. I'll mix this very nicely. Mix it really well. I have kept little bit of mint and coriander to top up later while making the layers of the biryani. And I have also kept little bit of fried onions aside. So mix everything together. I'm making this dum biryani in pressure cooker, so it hardly takes time. Just 1 whistle and that's it. If you have time, you can marinate the chicken done and nicely coat it with masala. I'll start with the cooking. Let's check on rice. This looks done to me. Strain this rice. I told you I'm making this chicken dum biryani in a pressure cooker. So I have taken a pressure cooker over here And I'll add ghee. I'm making this dum biryani in a ghee, so I'll add generous amount of ghee. Yes, a generous amount. And then into this will go the marinated chicken. Put the chicken into it, mix it. Don't add any water into it. Just mix it really nicely with the ghee and cover it and cook it for 1 whistle. So here you can see I have mixed my chicken nicely with ghee. I'm not adding any water and I'm not going to fry this chicken. I'm just going to cover it and cook it for 1 whistle. 1 whistle is done. I will not cook it any further. I'll turn off until this pressure cooker cools down. Now cool down. Let's check on chicken color. And the chicken is also nicely cooked. Look, I didn't add any water, but it has enough water to make a dum biryani. I'll take off half of the chicken with the curry and start layering with rice. Here I have taken off all the chicken pieces and I have left little bit of curry on the bottom. Now I'll put rice. So putting the layer of rice, I'll put chicken pieces on the top. Chicken pieces, I'll put coriander leaves and mint leaves. And I will also sprinkle little bit of biryani masala, and then again I'll top up with rice. Here I'll again put some chicken pieces and repeat the same process. And finally, third layer again of the rice. This time we will not put the chicken pieces. We'll put all of the rice into it. Spreading all of the rice, I'll put my coriander and mint and the saffron with milk on the top layer, and little bit of course, biryani masala. Last but not the least, I will also add little bit of ghee on the top. I will cover it and cook it again for a whistle. After another whistle, my biryani is all ready. It's already smelling so divine. I'll serve this dum biryani to my family with salad. You can serve it with salad or raita of your choice. Hope you like the video. Share and subscribe. Hit the like button, and thank you for watching.